In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account from connected apps. 5 minutes. If you've ever signed into a website or app using your Google account, it might still have access to parts of your data. Today, I'll show you how to review those connections and remove any you no longer need, so your account stays tidy and secure. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the Google account you want to manage. In the top right corner, click your profile picture. In the menu that appears, choose Manage your Google account. This opens your Google account settings in a new tab where all your privacy and security controls live. On the left side, go to the Security section. This is where Google lists the devices, sign-in methods, and third-party access linked to your account. Scroll down until you find third-party connections and services. You'll also see a link labeled Third-party connections. Clicking that takes you straight to the full list. Here you'll see apps and services that you've connected to your Google account over time. Choose the app you want to remove to open its details. This page shows what the app can access, like your basic profile info, Gmail, or Drive, depending on what you allowed when you connected it. Take a moment to review the permissions so you're confident about removing it. When you're ready, select the option to delete all connections you have with that app. Google will ask you to confirm. Click Confirm to finalize. Once you confirm, the app loses access to your Google account immediately, and it won't be able to read or modify your data through that connection. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you use multiple Google accounts, repeat these steps for each account to make sure everything is cleaned up across the board. Removing a connection here does not delete your account inside that third-party app. It only revokes its access to your Google data. If you want to close or delete your account with that service, you'll need to do that directly on the app's website. And if you change your mind later, you can always reconnect the app by signing in with Google again and approving the permissions. That's it. You opened Gmail, went to your Google account settings, navigated to security, reviewed your third-party connections, and removed the ones you no longer need. Keeping this list lean helps protect your information and reduces unnecessary access. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.